Hey guys, I noticed that you're not wearing your seatbelts. You need to make sure you put your seatbelts on, because seatbelts save lives. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, Dad.
All right.
Hey, listen to this.
Ivan the producer.
Yeah. I look left, I look right where I'm going. I put on my seatbelt when I start the car on. They know I'm about to go, have some fun. Before I start to drive, you know I put my belt on. You know where I'm going. They see me buckle up, now they say they wanna join. I got 2 side mirrors, I'm a smart driver. When it rains, then I turn on my 2 wipers. And just in case I get a flat, I keep a spare tire. I wear my seatbelt all the time. You know it's a loss, so I don't wanna do a crime. There's no reason to argue, I don't wanna hear you whine. There's no one too good for it, I don't wanna hear a lie. It's always good to follow all the signs and just display all the precautions and all the necessary ways. It's just for your safety to protect you in your face. Just make smart decisions so you can keep it okay. There's a lot of people who don't buckle and obey. They just for you to hold you down and keep you safe. Do not get distracted and be focused all the way. Just make smart decisions so you can keep it okay. I look left, I look right where I'm going. I put on my seatbelt when I start the car on. They know I'm about to go, have some fun. Before I start to drive, you know I put my belt on. You know where I'm going. They see me buckle up, now they say they wanna join. I got 2 side mirrors, I'm a smart driver. When it rains, then I turn on my 2 wipers. And just in case I get a flat, I keep a spare tire.